Hello, my name is Jessica and I'm a sophomore in high school. Today I got on Facebook not to check my newsfeed, but to ask a question on the AP European History page for my class to better understand the information on the study guide and essay we have next week. As I log on, I see I have a message from a friend asking about when we can study chemistry together, and in a moment, I have set up a time to study with a few friends for chemistry and asked a few questions on our AP European History page. Later, as I work on my English essay, I wonder how we are supposed to structure the conclusion. So before I email my teacher, I log back on Facebook onto our Honors English page and see this question has already been asked and answered by 3 other students who talked to the teacher earlier that day. Finally, I can finish my essay. Later that night, I FaceTime my friend Sarah. We have an essay coming up, so we will need to stay up and talk about how to structure our essays with the information we have learned that we can put in each essay topic our teacher has told us. Since we are both quite busy and do not live close by, FaceTime allows us to work together almost daily as late as we need. Some nights, if we are studying for a big test the next day, we will FaceTime as late as 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. As I am getting older, I understand that technology will increasingly become more prevalent in my academic life. But what really amazes me is the amount of technology the elementary schools are using in the learning of children like my little sister, who is using so much more technology than I ever did in elementary school.
Hi, my name is Sophia and I'm in 4th grade. On every Thursday, I go to the computer lab with my class, and recently, my class and I got to play some games to learn how to code. My favorite games are Lost in Space and Puppy Adventure, where I can move the character to get objects by coding it. Today in our class, we learned about ecosystems and adaptations. So in Computer Lab, I made a video on a program called Go Animate, where I can make 2 characters have a conversation about things they need to survive. Later, I also made one to practice skills like multiples in a different video, also on Go Animate. A program I use a lot at home is called IXL. Every week, I try to do at least one category on IXL, where I practice different things we have learned, like sentence structure, graphs, and probability. The technology at my school really helps me learn math, coding, and helps me view what I've learned in a fun way.